Now, these two earphones is not released yet in Malaysia, but I got a chance to hands-on before the release date. Special thanks to Armaggeddon Malaysia for sending in the review pack from Singapore. Armaggeddon Hornet 1 and Hornet 3, which to pick. Both wireless earphones support Bluetooth 5.0, which allows you to stay connected for up to 10 meters. Playback time for Hornet 3 is up to 8 hours, Hornet 1 is up to 5 hours. Both earphones support gaming mode, which is low latency mode, to keep your game well synced together with the earphones. For design wise, Hornet 3 design is super cool with matte finish, so it won't attract fingerprint and scratch free. And it highlights the Armaggeddon logo so much at the side of the earbuds. Hornet 1 design is more into minimalist and clean. The body is not in matte finish, so it is not fingerprint free and scratch free. Please do not put it together with keys or any sharp objects. For playback quality, Hornet 3 has the larger driver compared to Hornet 1, definitely a win for Hornet 3. Mic quality both does its job to deliver clear message, however Hornet 3 delivers cleaner and clearer sound compared to Hornet 1.
Right now I'm using Armaggeddon Hornet 3. Let's begin with my test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right now I'm using Armaggeddon Hornet 1. Let's begin with the mic test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now let's begin with the smart control. One touch to play and pause. Alright, pause. Okay, good. Touch and hold for 2 seconds to activate voice assistant. Touch and hold 2 seconds. Hey, it's me again! So right side of the earbuds, double touch to volume up. 1, 2. Left side, double touch to volume down. Triple touch to previous song. Okay. Now if right side, you triple tap, goes to the next song. Again. If you want to activate game mode, you have to press left side of the earbuds and also the right side all together and hold for 4 seconds. Let go. If you are looking for a lightweight portable wireless earbuds to win some chicken dinner or to chill around with some good vibes, you can try them out by the time they release them. It's Urgent Check LSQ here, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.